This is MKCAD. MKCAD fulfills almost the opposite role from CrayonCAD. MKCAD specifically provides us with mostly COTS items, but in high detail and with all the features needed to do specific design. While MKCAD can be inserted from the insert menu normally, and this is the way it used to be, here we have installed the MKCAD app, which makes this convenient menu here, where parts can be inserted from. This list of parts pops up and they can be found in the various menus and inserted from there. There are many parts here, but we can search for ones that are needed in the search bar. And some will remain hidden in menus if there's many. So there are many bearings, so that menu stays closed, but it can be opened if it needs to be. And the regular menus can be browsed as well. This is a way to keep us from having to scour the entire internet for step files of various products. Keeps them all in one place and we can conveniently access and configure them. For example, we are going to insert a motor here, and we can change things about it. So in this case, we can select the controller on this motor and what shaft is coming out of it. Selecting insert and then waiting a bit, the object should appear in the assembly. And this is a fully featured object. As you can see, it has positions, and all of these are selectable with make connectors, also in useful places. Another common thing that can be configured here is something like extrusion. So, for example, if we want to have some max tube, we can specify the type of all of the various types, and then the length. Note that all the parts will generate at the origin, so if we have many of the same type, they might come in together and disappear. But they are there, we just need to drag them away. If we can see the part, remember that we can see it in the menu on the left. Another thing we have is the various electronic components, and most of these have a simplified option. This will take less processing power to render, and therefore we would prefer to use these in most cases as it will make the document faster. Many of these also come pre-made with properties. I've seen that this is not all of them precisely, but all the important ones. This battery, for example, has a mass. That's a very heavy part, so it is important that this one has a mass. But these are all things that we did not need to configure ourselves because they already exist in this library.